Adil, and today I am here to show you how to perform a CPR on a casualty. So as you see, there is a casualty in front of us who is not breathing and who is unconscious. So before doing a CPR on a casualty, we must have to assure about Dr. ABC D process. I already have done Dr. AB and now I'm going to do the process C, which is CPR. So to perform a CPR, I have to sit near to the casualty, like that, in a comfortable position. So before doing the CPR, I must have to ensure my own safety and the safety of the bystanders. So I just put a mask on my face to save myself from cross-contamination, like that. And before doing the CPR, I must have to call a bystander to call the emergency services at 999 and to bring an AED device. So can you please do that for me? Thank you. Now we have to lock our hands and our elbow in that position to perform the CPR. And we have to give 30 compressions and 2 breaths to the casualty with the depth of 5 to 6 centimeters, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. And now I am going to give 2 breaths to it. Breath 1, and here is the breath 2. And now we will do the second cycle of the CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This is breath 1 and I'm going to do the breath 2. Okay, thank you. So we got the AED device here. Now we are going to put that AED device on the patient.
Adult patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button. Remove clothing from the patient's chest. Remove packet and apply pads onto patient's bare skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly on skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly on skin. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear. Press the flashing shock button. Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
Okay, yeah, just turn off the device. Yeah, okay, very well done. So now tell me, when should you stop giving someone CPR?
When the emergency services came in, when the AED device came in, and when the casualty stopped breathing.
Anything else? Any other situation where you can stop giving someone CPR?
Not at all.
Okay, so there's one more situation where the casualty is exhausted.
Okay.
Right? So you have to ask someone else if you have anyone.
Okay.
Secondly, there's a bit of a feedback. Whenever you're using the AED device, your knee you should not be touching the casualty.
Okay.
Look, your knee is still touching the casualty.
Sure.
So you should always be clear so that your pulse does not get detected by the AED device, and the AED device won't go to the shock state. Right? That's it. Apart from that, perfectly done. And thank you so much.
Thank you.